Okay, now I'm going to talk about how to check your install after you're done with getting everything assembled. And now you want to make sure that you have good function. And if you see a problem with any of these, you're going to need to go back into the installation and address it. So what we want to check is, even with the door open, we want to make sure that this bolt throws cleanly. You can feel that as you turn it with your hand. It should just be smooth and almost like butter. If you have to put some force into it, it's bad. Your hand is strong, the motor inside here is not strong. Okay, so you want to check it like that. You also want to verify that by operating electronically, that also the motor throws it cleanly. And then you want to close the door and check the same function. Okay, and if you feel it rubbing against the strike plate, that's bad. You need to make an adjustment. Okay, and then same thing with the electric motor. Let the electric motor run. Make sure that it's throwing the bolt just fine, and everything is happy. So you also, as I mentioned before, so when the bolt is extended, and it's really best to check this when the door is open. You want to make sure that you cannot push the bolt back in. Okay, so that's both when you throw it with the thumb turn and also when you throw it with the motor. You should not be able to push it back in. Another thing you want to check is the bolt depth. So you don't want to have this bolt when it's in the bolt open position. You don't want to have it sticking out like this. Okay, that's bad. And sometimes you'll see it where even when you push on it, it won't go any further back in. That's bad. You can also see it, as I was pointing out before, where this bolt is recessed inside, so there's actually a gap that's not flush with this plate. That's bad as well. So that's an improper installation if you have any of those conditions. So anyway, a bunch of pointers that should help you have a nice clean installation of your deadbolt and years of worry-free function.